Let's start your investment journey.
Hi and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday the 21st of December. We have shortened trading week ahead of us with fairly light economic data calendar on Monday, with main focus on PBOC rate decision and also Eurozone consumer confidence figures. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for UK and also US GDP Q3 figures and Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes. Going forward, Australian trade balance data followed by US personal consumption and home sales and Canada GDP data will be closely watched on Wednesday. The week will finish on Thursday with US durable goods orders and also Japanese unemployment rate and retail sales data. Now, let's take a look at few markets. Let's start with the DAX, or German 30. Key trading level for DAX is at 13,590. We had a massive sideways consolidation and finally a breakout to the upside. The current price is supported by multiple moving averages and it's creating the sequence of higher lows. As long as this zone here holds and we see a breakout to the upside, that could possibly open the way for the continuation of this upward move, targeting additional resistance at 13,780, 13,800, which is very close to the previous February all-time high. Breakouts above that level could open the way for the retest, for the attempt to test additional resistance at 13,900, possibly even 14,000 to the upside. Alternatively, if you see a dip lower and an end-of-day close below 13,590, a retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could indicate a possibility of corrective move to the downside, targeting additional support at 13,530, followed by 13,450. Dow sideways, but appears to be bullish at the moment. These are all-time highs at 30,300, 320. Breakout above that level, we are in uncharted territory. Resistances on the upside will be a complete guesswork, but I would add 100 points going forward, purely because I feel that other traders would be looking at those as well. So 30,500, 30,600 and so on. Alternatively, if we see a consolidation and an end of day close below this intraday key trading level at 30,155, that could possibly open the way for a corrective move to the downside, targeting this support zone down here at 30,060, 30,000. Only a loss of that level and an end of day close below that level could open the way for a deeper corrective move towards 29,880. Gold, nice and bullish breakout higher. This is the daily time frame high, trending resistance to the downside. Low, 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 lower low, trend line support to the downside. Key trading level going forward is at 1870, 1865. Pullback to that level and a rally, or a breakout above psychologically important 1900 level could possibly open the way for the spike higher, targeting additional resistance at 1913, 1915. Cluster of these previous lows here and also these highs. Breakout above that level could target additional resistance at 1946, 1953. Alternatively, if we see a dip lower and an end of day close below 1865, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move to the downside, targeting additional resistance at 1850, cluster of these previous lows and also 200 period moving average, followed by cluster of these lows down here at 1817, 1812. Euro dollar, very bullish breakout higher. This is a daily time frame, higher highs, higher lows. The price is currently supported by multiple moving averages. Key trading level going forward is at 121.70, cluster of these previous highs. Pullback to that level and a rally, or a gradual move higher and a breakout above 120. 123, even number, could open the way for additional spike higher, continuation of this uptrend targeting resistances at 123.40, followed by 24. Some longer term analysts are pointing to a major resistance at 125. Alternatively, if we see a dip lower and a loss of this key trading level at 121.70, could open the way for a gradual move lower and target of additional downside support at 121.20, followed by 120.70. Cable, fairly nice and bullish end of day time frame, despite Brexit negotiations uncertainty. This appears to be quite bullish. US dollar weakness, I suppose, but key trading level going forward is at 134, 133.50, around there. Pull back to that level. I can't be fairly kind of precise. I can actually, if I point to these lows here, these highs here in August, but there is a zone. It's not one single level. It's actually a zone of levels which are acting as a support. Let's call it 134 at the moment. Pullback to 134 and a rally or a breakout above these current highs could open the way for the continuation of this upward move targeting resistance initially up here at 137.50, 138, 138.50, which is a longer term daily and weekly falling resistance trend line. Alternatively, if we see a dip lower and an end of day close below 134, that could open the way for the continuation of this consolidation targeting the cluster of these lows and also 50 period moving average at 132.40, followed by 132 to the downside. Dollar yen clearly embedded downtrend. The price action is capped by multiple falling resistance trend lines, and also it's creating a sequence of lower highs and lower lows, therefore US dollar weakness. Rally into a resistance. Key trading level is at 103.80, 104, and a rejection could open the way for the continuation of this downward move, or even a loss of these current lows at 103 could open the way for the retest of 102.80, followed by 102.50, even 102 even number to the downside, and this is based on weekly and monthly time frame swing lows. Alternatively, if you see a breakout and a rally higher above 103.80, 104, and end of day close above 104 could open the way for a spike higher targeting additional resistance at 104.40, possibly even 104.60. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.